The reading culture is reduced. If you see in the village level or any level, the reading culture is reduced to minimum level. So to reorganize the youths and every section of people to enhance the reading culture, to again have the reading culture where they can have more information, more knowledge, because we know a person who reads, he knows so many things. So now nowadays, I don't see the mass people, the reading after coming of this, mobile. All people are busy on Facebook, Twitter, and all these the activities. But reading culture was there in earlier stage, where people read so many books, and they were very calm and stable of their mind. So this time again, we are realizing that we should, reorganize the reading culture among the different section of people. So with your government, we have started these programs, and week-long program will be there. And again, in the winter session, we will have another program of the to enhance the reading culture and organize it maximum level, so that our people started reading again to have different kind of knowledge, by which they can also have some idea and knowledge and updated information, what is happening in entire world and in our region and in our country.